As India continues to see a frightening surge in the COVID-19 cases, the Centre has reviewed the status of preparedness to handle the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, where various aspects relating to medicine, oxygen, ventilators and vaccination have been relooked and ramped up to ensure their emergency supply. These measures are doubling remdesivir production and supply across the country, ensuring uninterrupted supply of oxygen, continuous supply of COVID-19 vaccines, and enhancing healthcare infrastructure. As per the Union Health Ministry's direction, the Centre Ministries and their PSUs have now dedicated their hospital beds for COVID-19 management in state and union territories, including hospital wards or separate blocks within the hospitals for COVID-19 care, as was done last year. The Centre has ramped up capacity and production augmentation for manufacturing of remdesivir to provide around 74.10 lakh vials per month in May, in comparison to the normal production output in January to February, which was just 27 to 29 lakh vials per month. The supplies have also increased from 67,900 vials on 11th April going up to over 2,06,000 vials on 15th April 2021, which are being particularly focused on states with high caseload and emergency demands. On the issue of supply of medical oxygen, the Railways is starting an oxygen express train service to transport liquid medical oxygen and oxygen cylinders across the key corridors. The Centre, in addition to this, has banned the supply of oxygen for industrial purposes by manufacturers and suppliers starting from 22nd April. This is supposed to bring the entire focus on providing oxygen cylinders to healthcare and ensure no shortage of supplies. In fact, all AIIMS hospitals across the nation have increased the number of oxygen supported beds and ICU beds with ventilators. The government institutions are deploying all possible measures to keep the maximum number of beds available for citizens. The Centre has ensured that COVID-19 vaccine supplies to small states are replenished every 7 days and every 4 days for big states. The government also intends to increase the production of Covaxin 10 times more by September 2021. Revisiting the country's successful strategy of last year, Prime Minister Modi has emphasized that there is no substitute to testing, tracking and treatment, which means that early testing and proper tracking remains the key to reduce mortality. In addition to that, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Package was announced in March last year and has been extended thrice till 24 April 21. The scheme was launched to provide a safety net to healthcare workers to ensure that in case of any adversity due to COVID-19, their families are taken care of. Under this scheme, insurance cover of ₹50 lakh is provided. A move like this is very significant to provide a safety net to the dependents of Corona warriors who lost their life due to COVID-19. 287 claims have been paid by the insurance company so far. The scheme has played a crucial psychological role in boosting the morale of the healthcare workers during COVID-19 pandemic. The claims under PMGKP will be settled by the insurance company till 24th of April 2021. Thereafter, a new dispensation will be provided to cover the Corona warriors, for which the ministry is in talks with the insurance company New India Assurance. All in all, the Centre has already furnished quick methods to control the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, while it has not stopped and is still coming up with ways to tackle the emerging challenges related to oxygen, ventilator, beds and vaccine supply all over the nation. Thank you.